Put here. Put there. In the syrup. Yep. And then you throw your leg over.
No, I don't want this first.
Yeah, look at the table from Grandpa.
Mommy, this is for Cinderella. It's
Yeah.
for me because there's Cinderella just for me and I'm Cinderella. I'm happy.
Look in the drawer.
Look in the jar. What
Yep.
is in there? Oh no! Nick cannot get it. No!
It's okay. You can look in the drawer.
Nothing. Nothing in this one.
Yeah, the other one, the one that you're covering with your hand.
She opened it.
Okay.
The one because I'm Cinderella. Oh. A ring.
Yes.
It's for me and it has this on it and it's attached. Nothing. Because I got something out.
Hey, Nate, do you want to go open one of yours?
Come here, buddy. Nate.